Hey beautiful people, Sylvia here, and welcome all to my free Traffic Prodigy review. So here I am inside of free Traffic Prodigy, the newest launch by Trevor Carr, Max Gerstenmaier, or Max, right? And Fergal Downs. Now it is going live today on the 25th of January at 11 a.m. New York time. That's EST, well, New York time, right? Okay guys, for those who decide to pick up this product, the link will be below my review to the sales page. I've got some also super cool bonuses, so grab the link below and check it out. Check out the sales page. I'll discuss my bonuses a bit later. Now let's get back to the sales page. They say, you're about to discover our dirty little traffic secret. Okay, and they will reveal the hack. How to rank a YouTube channel. It's all about a YouTube channel, okay? Well, fast, and it is really perfect for local business marketing, because those keywords to do with local businesses where you promote your business on YouTube, and it's targeting local leads, okay? Well, leads as local customers, right? Like, for example, Fergal was saying about his girlfriend's YouTube channel, that he's, helping her rank well on YouTube, mainly, and he's achieving that mainly due to this video ranking hack that he reveals in this module here, as you can see, this one here. Well, they live in Alicante, I believe, or somewhere in Spain, and yeah, she's really been getting a lot of clients thanks to her YouTube channel ranking so well. Okay, so let me show you what you will have in this training course. So after the welcome video by, again, Trevor Carr, Max Gerstenmaier, and Fergal Downs, and here below you will have links to the YouTube channels, and you can access the otos as well. Then they will talk about the Mr. Beast method. So who's Mr. Beast? We know he's the #1 YouTuber on the planet. Well guys, the SEO, the ranking factors are very super simple, okay? It really comes down to the click-through rate, so people have to click on your thumbnail, so that's why a catchy thumbnail is so important. Then it's the viewers retention, which is also of high importance. So the viewers retention is for how long your video is being watched. So make sure you watch my videos till the end. I'm joking about not joking at the same time. And number 3 is the engagement. So the likes, the dislikes, comments, even the dislikes. So I would really appreciate, in case you don't like my videos, just press that, thumb down for me, please. That's better than nothing. But now, being a bit more serious, not that I was not serious, okay, you never know with me, right? The click-through rate and the viewers retention are of most importance. But another thing is to do the tags, the keywords the right way, and know how to put it all up there. So yeah, all of that is super important, and just follow the training and you will have your YouTube channel set up beautifully. Alright, so after the Mr. Beast method, Fergal will go through the channel setup. And to be brutally honest, as long as he gives you some instructions on how to do it, it's not in-depth enough for me. That's why I thought I would give you this YouTube channel customization tutorial by Dan Meets, 30 minutes long. It's a very in-depth tutorial. My channel, guys, my videos, according to TubeBuddy, rank anything from 80, 90 to 100%. They get 100% SEO score. So yeah, my YouTube channel ranks quite well. Anyhow, let's go back to the training. So here we have this video ranking hack here, which obviously I cannot reveal. Is really good. I'll try it myself. I did not know about it. Now then, Fergal will go through the video, the types of videos and niches you should be targeting, and he refers to the local marketing niche a lot here. Then how to create the videos. He does not go in depth. He does not go in depth as to the creation of the video process. It's more about, he recommends you a video recording software, very good one, by the way, which I personally use. I love it. And then he's also suggests, if you don't want to record the video yourself, you can outsource it, and he would show you, I think on Fiverr, or was it Upwork, the kind of gigs you will have, and you know, he will recommend some sellers. And then as to, okay, next one is chapters for Google SEO. So, you know, when you create a video, it's quite important to create the timestamps, because apparently, thanks to that, you will stand higher chances of having your video shown on Google search as well. So not just YouTube search. Obviously, Google is #1, and then there comes YouTube, right, when it comes to search engines. So yeah, follow his advice on that. And the next one, or is it? It's kind of like the last video, because then we only have conclusion. So then we have this module called, so again, it's called Don't Want to Get in Front of the Camera. Watch this. This was done by Max Gestelmeyer. It's quite a long video, half an hour long, where he will go through various, free video recording, video making, really, AI software that he personally uses, very good ones. And I'm actually like seriously considering getting one of those, because I want to also create an AI YouTube channel, to be honest. Okay. Yeah, we should create as many YouTube channels as possible, not to spread yourself too thin, but you know, if you can have it sort of run on autopilot, sort of, right? Because you still need to control it and decide how the videos are done and what kind of videos you want in what niche. But if you can have it done by AI, and those videos, you know, do provide some value. I mean, there are smart ways about doing that. By the way, I'll be reviewing a very good training course, maybe later today or tomorrow. It goes live tomorrow, by James Renouf and Dave Espino, called, what was it called? Paper Call, something like that. That gave me, I was blown away by what those guys were talking about and how they make money. And they only use AI to run this YouTube channel to get the sales, okay? Anyhow, then you have conclusion and upgrades. So guys, this is the sales page. Again, go grab it. Grab the link below my review. I would say it's perfect for local business marketing. The tips they give you, it's perfect for affiliate marketing. It's very newbie friendly. Okay, now if you're an experienced YouTuber, this is not for you. Even though you might have not known about this video ranking hack that I'm revealing here, I did not know about it. I had no idea about this hack, so I've learned something new, okay? But if you're a newbie, if you have not had much experience with ranking your YouTube channel, or if you have been failing, then yeah, it might be helpful for you. But again, it's mainly targeting newbies. Okay, I believe the front end is around $12-13. Here we'll have some upsells. Here we have some upsells. So after you've picked up the front end, go check out the upsells. If there's something that you would find useful, pick it up, guys. Pick it up, and then also you'll get some cool bonuses. The Tube Celebrity MRR is really amazing. It's the whole PDF on how to really crush it with YouTube, right? It's 44 pages long. That's your table of content. Really, all you need. It will complement this product like there is no tomorrow. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Very good bonus that I love personally. And this next one, Desktop Vertical Video Training, is a full-blown training by what was his name? I forgot, but cool training. Sweet and short, to the point, how to create super cool vertical videos using your tablet, your desktop, not your phone like this. And obviously there comes my YouTube channel customization tutorial. It's unlisted on YouTube, you only get access to it. You'll get to watch it if you pick up this product via the link below my review. Here is the sales page. Okay guys, that was my free Traffic Prodigy review. Go pick it up. You will like it. You will find some useful information in it for sure, especially if you're quite new to YouTube. Okay? Love you and leave you. New to YouTube as to, being the content creator, obviously. I should have said that. Sylvia. Right, bye.